Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun fall try on haul and it is so crazy because it was just summer. I feel like I just filmed my summer try on hauls and now we are here in fall. It was Halloween a few days ago and all of a sudden the temperature actually dropped to like 50 degrees actually in the evening here in LA, so it is pretty chilly, but I actually got a bunch of stuff that you can wear to holiday parties and like November, December activities. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Click on the subscribe button below and click on the little bell to receive a notification every time I upload a video. Everything that I got here today and try on is from Hot Miami Styles. If you guys have not seen their site, they have really cute, trendy, affordable items that are really sexy and fun to wear, especially to parties and serving looks. So without further ado, let's get started on this fall try on haul. So the very first item, which is actually one of my favorites in this try on haul, is this orange dress, and it actually looks like two pieces. It looks like it would be a bodysuit and a skirt, but it is one full dress. Okay, the very first outfit is this orange dress. It looks like a two-piece, so I almost said bodysuit and skirt, but it is not a bodysuit and skirt. It is one dress that is actually all together, and it's so cute. The top is like this mesh material and the skirt is like this bottom, almost like a swimsuit material, but it's super comfortable and super cute. I love the fingers part of it. Like, it looks like a superhero glove moment. It is so cute. Love how that looks. It is mini, which is how I like it, and it is just so cute. I feel like you could wear it with like white booties, nude booties, a mule, some naked sandals, which is just like a strappy nude sandal, but I think it is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And it's very bodycon and body flattering. The next item is this really cute black bodysuit. I really love this zipper opening. I probably wouldn't wear it all the way open, but I thought it was super hot. So this is the black sexy zipper bodysuit. You can adjust the zipper however you want it. If you want to unzip it all the way, I wouldn't do it all the way, but I would just do like right here because it just shows a little bit of cleavage and it's very sexy. Love this bodysuit, and it is tight all the way. I love bodysuits because they're secure, they stay in one spot, and they make you feel super snatched, and I love that. This is such a cute black zipper bodysuit. Love the accent and the detail. I feel like I could wear this to like a concert, a dinner, or going out. Really cute, and it's actually really warm too. The next item is this gown, and I'm actually going to a wedding this winter, so I figured I would get a gown, and there's a lot of holiday parties that are like cocktail and formal, so I figured I would grab a gown. Every year I feel like I need a gown moment, and every year I feel like I need a gown, so I decided to get this beautiful copper gown. Okay guys, this gown is definitely a moment, a showstopper. It is so pretty. The color, like literally this camera does not do it justice. It is like this deep clay copper color. It is so pretty and so shiny, and in the mirror, like as I look at it, it's just so amazing. Like, it's so body flattering too. It like gives me like that shape. It is so gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna wear this to a wedding or New Year's or Vegas. It is just too cute not to wear to something that is going to be a moment and a sleigh. So I'm obsessed with this gown. I'm so happy that I ordered it. I usually don't order gowns too much. I feel like I kind of stay away from it because I get like scared and I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna wear it. I'm not gonna have anything to wear it to. But when I tried this on, I felt like money. Like, I felt like, wow, like this is so glam. So definitely check this gown out because it is so cute and so sexy. I'm obsessed. I feel like a mermaid. The next item is a cozy sweater dress, or actually it's a sweater, yeah, it's a sweater dress. Look at this fabulous sweater dress. This is a really cute winter wonderland moment. I love it. I love sweater dresses. When Mariah Carey wore a sweater dress in one of her videos for some holiday video or something like that, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that sweater dress. And ever since then, I've been obsessed with sweater dresses. And this, I love the shape. I love the color. I love the turtleneck, because sometimes turtlenecks could be a little too droopy or a little too tight. And I love this one because it's right in the middle. Love that it gets tight at the very bottom, because sometimes when it just goes straight down, it doesn't give you any shape. So really love this one. Super cute. Love the blousey sleeves. It's like the perfect sweater dress. Like if you're looking for a sweater dress that's perfect and you know it's gonna look good, it's this one. The back is like this. Super cute. Love the off-white color. Love the knitting, and it is making me warm right now, and that is good because that is the purpose of a sweater dress. It is super cute. Love. Obsessed. The next item I got is this leopard jumpsuit, and I love long pants jumpsuit, and I love jumpsuits in general. Look how cute this is. This is a one piece. It is a onesie, but it is the silky material, so it's not really like pajamas or sweats, but you can wear this out with some heels. I feel like you could even belt it, and I love it. Love outfits like this because you can just go. When you are late like me all the time, I'm always like putting my makeup for a really long time, and I'm like, okay, I gotta find an outfit. I feel like this is going to be the outfit that I throw on. I look glam, I'm wearing leopard, I look cute, and I can slay the day. So it's really cute and super easy. You just throw it on and it's just really fun. Let me show you guys the side. Love this. And there are pockets, so you can put something in your pockets. I really like this. I love the Hot Miami Styles rompers. I wear them a lot. I have quite a few of them. I have a black one that I wear all the time, literally every day. And this is going to be another one that I'm going to be wearing all the time. The next item I thought was super cute, is totally my color range and color palette, is this pink top and skirt set. This piece is very unique and a very Barbie, a very like space cowgirl Barbie. It is so fun and so cute. I love the two pieces, and I love the pink tie top, and it's like this satiny material, super bright pink neon, so fun and so cute. I love the buttons on the sleeves and the length of the sleeves. It's very comfortable, and I feel like you could definitely wear this. This is definitely a fall look because it's long sleeve, still a mini skirt, but you can wear it with thigh-high boots or even some tights. I really, really, really love this look. It is super cute and super fun. And the back looks like this. It is a mini, and I just love this tie top. It is so cute. So the next item here is a super cute purple lilac dress. And yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of holiday parties, a lot of beauty events. So I was like, you know what? I need to get a really cute, kind of like pastel-y pinky dress, and long sleeves are always good because you can wear a jacket over, or you can just rock it without a jacket and just kind of like go into the party really quick. All right, this is a lilac princess moment. It is so pretty. It reminds me of Sleeping Beauty or something like that, maybe because I just watched Maleficent, but it is so cute, so princessy, so beautiful. Like the sleeves are just perfect. It is kind of like a ballet sort of look, like a ballet leotard, just the top, and the lilac dress part is super pretty. It literally looks like a princess dress. I really love it. I definitely want to wear this to a party or an event, maybe something with like a pastel theme. It is so, so cute. I love it. Let me show you guys the back. The back looks like this. I love the rouging. Rouging always makes the body look really, really ultra sexy and really accentuates the curves. So I'm really loving this lilac princess moment. I'm obsessed. So cute. And the details, it's just so pretty. So the next item is this very beautiful embellished tan dress with crystals on them. It is kind of sheer and really, really sexy. If I go to Vegas for New Year's, I thought this would be a really amazing dress. Okay, this is a Las Vegas moment. This is so sexy and so pretty. I love it so much. it literally feels like just like beads are on me, like doesn't even feel like there's clothes on me, but it's so pretty and it's not completely see-through or anything like that. There's a lined bra, like right here is the sheer part and everything else is lined. It is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. My friend literally texted me today being like, oh my gosh, should we go to Vegas for New Year's? So I'm like, you know what? Maybe I will, and I will definitely bring this dress to Vegas. And the back is like this. It is so cute, very sexy, showgirl vibes. I'm obsessed. I love it. Also very J-Lo. I wish she was still performing in Vegas because I would definitely wear this to the J-Lo concert. The next item is this black long sleeve dress that has a tie front. There are a lot of kind of like cocktail events that sometimes are award shows and a little bit more professional. I thought I would get a black one that is a little bit more toned down and muted. I think it's super cute and super sexy. I love a black dress moment, so I got one of these long sleeve black dresses. This dress is so glam and so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. It is a black dress, but it's just so classy and sexy at the very same time. It's super flattering on my body. And usually I actually don't like shoulder pads, but this dress needs the shoulder pads. I love them. Usually if a dress or a blazer comes with shoulder pads, I cut them out, but this literally really gives the shape to the dress. And I'm obsessed with it. I love the snatched waist. I love the bow or like the extra like ribbon sash. I really, really love this dress. It's so cute and so pretty and so glam. I'm obsessed. And then let me show you guys the back. It is a full black moment. It's a little bit longer in the back, so you aren't like pulling it down every second. It is so pretty. Love. The next item I got is this leopard wrap jacket thing, and I always like a little wrap, especially for fall and winter, because sometimes it's hot during the day and then you just want something to put over when you're going into the movies or when you are going somewhere where there's air conditioning or a little bit chilly, or if you're like outside at like a park or something like that. When I get a dog, I definitely want to go to the park and like wear a little jacket. So I did get this leopard piece. I thought it was super cute and super fun and super glam. So this is the leopard jacket or throw. I love throws like this or jackets or like little over things because it definitely breaks up a plain outfit and it keeps you warm and you still look super trendy and fashionable. I love, love, love this, and it's so soft. It feels like just like, I don't even know, it's like a silky like blanket almost. It's very, very nice and comfortable, and you can tie this in a bow or a regular tie or leave it untied however you want it. I like it tied. I probably will wear this with something black under, just like I did this thing right here. And I just love it. And it is blousey and long sleeve, and it looks like that in the back. It's like the perfect little fall throw. I mean, I know a throw is like a blanket, but it just feels like that right now. It's like the perfect little over thing. So, so cute. I love it. So the next items I actually got in two different styles. I got it in the mustard yellow, and it's actually a halter dress. Okay guys, so this is the mustard dress. I love the high neck halter. I love this drapey look, and I love the way that it kind of just looks on your boobs. Love it. Love the ruching, love the mini. It is so cute, and I really, really, really love the color. I don't have a lot of mustard things. I actually don't even, I think I have one mustard dress, and I was like, you know what? I want to get this dress in mustard. It is very, very, very sexy. Reminds me of Beauty and the Beast or like Belle, but the drapey look reminds me of Jasmine. I did get it in blue as well. I love it. It is so, so cute and sexy and fun. Definitely going to wear this out to a party. There's going to be so many holiday parties, so many holiday events. so I cannot wait. Let me show you guys the back. It is open back and the halter goes all the way to the back. Super cute, very ruched, very bodycon, and I love it. I also got it in a blue color and I thought it was really, really pretty, and I love this royal blue color. I don't have a lot of blue items, so I thought that I would get this in this style dress, and I had to get it in 2 colors because they're so pretty. Okay, so this is the blue version of the dress, and it's literally the same exact dress, but it looks so different even though it's like the same exact shape. I love the blue as well. It has this more elevated glam, classy look. I love the contrast on my skin. The yellow one just went with my skin and I love that look as well, but the blue one is like striking, really amazing. I love it. I love, again, the halter, high neck, super cute. There's buttons in the back to clasp if you have big hair or like do, or you could just like put it on. But I really, really, really love this dress and the shape and the drooping and the halter and just like this whole slinky rouge look. I think it's very flattering on the body and very, very, very sexy, which is the look that I am always going for. And let me show you guys the back. It looks like this. It's open in the middle, rouge skirt, and the halter goes to the back, and it's really comfortable as well. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall out at all or anything. I am wearing pasties, but you don't really need to, and you don't need any boob tape because it doesn't move around. So it's great. You don't need any boob tape, double stick tape to hold this dress in place. The next item and the last item is this really fun sequin rainbow dress. It is such a moment. It is so fun, and Hot Miami Styles actually has a lot of really fun sparkly things, and that's why I love the site so much. Okay, this rainbow dress is everything. It is so fun. It actually looks like it would be a high-end designer just because of the shape and the sequins and the details. I feel like it looks really, really, really expensive, and I love it. Hot Miami Styles has a lot of really fun, cute things, and a lot of it looks really expensive, and this one is just one of those pieces that just looks so good, and it's definitely really snatched. It makes my waist look really, really snatched. So I love that because I love a good dress that puts it and holds it in, you know what I mean? So let me show you guys the side. It has these cutouts. It's actually just like laces, and the back is just this rainbow sequin back. It is so, so cute. I love it so much. It is so fun. Look at the details. It's gorgeous. And I'm actually, because I was starting to film this in the afternoon, now it's nighttime and it is sparkly everywhere, and I love that because I have all the lights in my house and it's just so gorgeous. Look how pretty. Maybe I'll wear this tonight because I do have an event that I'm going to, and it's the Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos event, and I feel like this would be a really cute, colorful look. Alright guys, so that's actually it for my fall Hot Miami Styles try on haul. Everything is very going out, party, holiday, and glam. I hope you guys liked everything. If you guys want to get any of the items, all the items are linked below, and if you guys like my videos and want to subscribe, click on the subscribe button below and thumbs up the video and leave a comment below about what you thought about any of the items that I tried on. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.